best things ever when you're on a plane and there's no plug sockets. It's called a charge card. You see it? Yeah. And you can see the chip on the back as well. You can see all the details. So when there's no plug sockets, what you do is you take this. As you can see, my battery's on 30%. You can see that, yeah? Yeah. You take the charge card and you got to line it up just right. It has to be about just I think about there. And then what you do is you just wait. See, look, see, it's just gone black. Watch. See, it lights up. And it's charging now. And look how fast it's going up. Look. So you let it go up. And as you see, look how fast it charges. See how crazy that is? And then when that gets empty, you should start seeing it go red. See, there we go. Red, and now we're on, what's it done it to? 70%, and then there we go, done, stopped. Look at that, no joke, look, I'll show you, look. 70%. 70%, charge card. You need one of these. The best travel hack to get is one of these charge cards.